value of x in the diagram below. Now, when you look at this topic, the first thing that you should ask yourself is, what topic is this? This topic was first treated in GS3 under similar triangles, and it's still the same thing. This question was asking why. So how do I answer this? I'll have to, since it's a similar triangle, there's a smaller triangle that is inscribed inside the bigger one. So I'll separate the triangles. I can come here to put maybe DE so that it will be easy for me to separate. So I will be having the first smaller triangle. Look at it, I have PDE. So I can put P here, D and E. So that means if I have this, if you see DP is X and PE is what? 7cm. Then the next one, I can just come here and clean this. So if I clean this, I'm not having PQR. So I can come here now and have the bigger triangle, the same P and Q, then this is what? R. So the one major thing you will look at now is, if you see this, PQ will be x plus 4 because we are dealing with the whole length here. PQ is x plus 4, while PR will be 7 plus 5, which is what? 12cm. Now, what's the concept? It deals with ratio. The ratio is this. If you observe, this place is similar to this, and this other side, PE, is similar to PR. So since it's a ratio form, I will say x over x plus 4. Look at what I've done. I picked this all over x plus 4 is equal to, since I picked x first, I'll come to 7. I'll say 7 all over 12. So look at the relationship again. Let me take the ratio. It is x all over x plus 4, which is on this my left hand side. Then I'll come here to pick 7 all over 12. So when I have this, I have come to algebraic equation, which I can clear my fraction by cross multiplying. So if I want to cross multiply here, I will quickly say this is 7 bracket x plus 4 is equals to 12 bracket what? X. So what I have here, now look at what I have now. So I will open my bracket. So if I open my bracket now, it will be 7x plus 28. That means 7 times x is 7x. 7 times 4 is 28. Then equal to 12x. So the next thing I'll do is to collect my like terms. So if I collect my like terms here, I can choose to say 28 is equals to 12x. Since the like terms is this is 7x, this is 12x. So I'll collect my like terms. I'll bring 7 here, which is 7x. So what I'll be having next with me will be 28. 28 is equal to 12 minus 7 will give me 5x. Good. Okay. Now, look at it now. At this point, I'll just divide both sides by the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is what? 5. I explained earlier on in one of my videos, which I said the coefficient is a number that is attached to a letter. So when I divide both sides by the coefficient of x, I'll be having, if I cancel here, I can come here to say x is equals to 28 over 5, which will now give me x is equals to 5 whole number 3 all over 5, or in decimal form. Of course, you know, if I have 5 all over 3, I'll say since 3 is smaller than 5, I'll have 0.6. So this answer will be 5 or x equals to 5.6 centimeters. Always remember your unit, because in most of the examiner's report, once the unit is not given, you will fail the answer. So the unit is as important as this answer. So the value of x from this question is 5.6.